Hey, it's Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to do a quick preview of the Pioneer DJM-S5. This is the Pioneer DJM-S5 customizable skins, available now at styleflip.com. You can create your own look by uploading your images, adding your own text. We add the manufacturer default text back on. With the click of the button, you can select the color. We ship worldwide, an easy to install skin right to your front door. This is the Pioneer DJM-S5, available now at styleflip.com. Customize and protect over 1,000 music equipment products. Check us out at styleflip.com. This is the Pioneer DJM-S5 customizable skin.